kung may patron, mga dayot lain-lainan na upat, ang kadang-an na at kuhap lasa, ng aaaring hihag-kurat na. Sikat mo't inigat sa hayawon, halabi ng mga okasyon, mga kalagasan mo't patanon, kurat sa biglaan ira ayun. Hala na sige kita, kay nasayaw na antisita, maumpay ang kamusura, kay gamot kairaan na gala. Hala na sige kita, kay nasayaw na antisita, maumpay ang kamusura, kay nagkagalupan ang kwarta.
Alright, thank you so much, Honorable Daria Menendez and Sir Willie Batonino.
Tonight has been a celebration of incredible achievements and wavering dedication and boundless talents within our educational community.
From the inspiring speeches to the captivating performances, from the heartfelt moments of connection to the joyous celebration of success, tonight has truly been a night to remember.
As we come to an end to the first part of this evening's program, let us hear the closing remarks from Mr. Arnold G. Lucera, Principal 1 of Tinaco Elementary School.
Kusing na? Kusing na?
Once again, for the closing remarks, Sir Arnold G. Lucera.
My speech to every one of us present today. It's my great honor.
Oh, hello, Miss Capri. Tamsak ka pa. Thank you. Hindi namin karon nag-attend sa Kuan. Deep and night na mo kay Fiesta man dire. May fiesta.
I know you are eager to brush your feet to dance floor.
Instagram or mo, no, I don't have.
Night ka nun.
Shout
Night
out.
to bring your
Bring your
family. So, but before I end my
Because I wanna dance today. I wanna
it's
dance with some.
privilege to say thank you for the LGU headed by our municipal mayor, Honorable Gilbert, or so basic represented by his councilman. Dili na naman ako nagsasagsawon na sila diya sa likod. To the different committees who make this event successful tonight. Daghang kayo salamat sa inyong pagbuhat para magpalabuson din ang pagbuhat. And most of all, to the God who made this event all our good health, good night, wonderful night. It's made wonderful night tonight.
Pwede di ka magdungag.
And murag wala na siguro music na maestro. Okay na. So thank you very much for